Hey, we would bust out of there like that. It's raining though, but no, I might go to I'll probably go to small route. Come on, man. I'm walking the dog out here in this rainy weather. Yes, I am doing it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Damn, that rain is cold. I'm not going to stay out here. I'll tell you that much. I'm not going to stay out here. Oh boy, I swear y'all animals got a crazy life, boy. I'm serious. Yeah, that's right, pee-pee. Whatever you gotta do. That water's starting to really come down too. Come on. Let's go down here. Until we figure out. That place way down there, that's the dance studio. That place right there around that curve down there, that's our dance studio. One time it was a karate. We used to do karate in that place one time, but the guy, I guess he got old. Yeah, I forgot his name. I think he was the editor of the paper in King William County. Yeah, so yeah, I'll think of his name in a minute, I guess. I am a very yeah. And that's this dog right here. It is really, really raining out here, man. And I don't think I can have this phone is not waterproof, so when I seriously put this phone in, I'm gonna put it in because it already has cracks in it. So I'm taking a risk, you know. I'm taking a risk as to come on, clean it down. Come on, let's go this way. You actually took your pee-pee, you know. Yeah, I don't like walking all the time, but I can't walk her too far from the house because, well, I got a mischievous person in the family, you know. Come on now, what you doing? You gotta get back to the house. Yep. Yeah, I got a mischievous person in the family. He wanna, you know, I think he did something to my camera, and I think he can track me and everything I do. So he knows about it. Yep. So if I walk away from the house, then, you know, it could be a problem, you know what I mean? So I let her walk a little bit. It's not going to be a long walk this time. You know, I got another film that I haven't uploaded yet yesterday. And I haven't uploaded it yet, but I will. You know, she walked longer than this, so yeah, probably about half, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, but because this dog can get stubborn sometimes, and she'll pull back on that rope. Yeah, she'll pull back on the rope. See, she's doing it now. She trying to find her mate. Of all the days that I've been out here, her mate might be out here this time. You know, come on, we in the middle of the road here. Darn, she flashed. My camera's not my camera. It is my camera, but my phone is getting wet. It's getting too wet, and I'm gonna have to end the video in a second. I only wish that I could hang with y'all, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to hang today. And she always looking down these woods. I think that dog be in those woods. And yeah, we got a storm. There's a storm that's out today, and as you can see, you know, it's dark out here. You know, it's dark. Yesterday when I did like this, it was like sunny, you know. These are the same trees, but I'm coming from the other way, other direction, you know. Now, see, she's strong on the lead because, see, the leaves ain't got wet now. Now it kind of like refreshed the scents, the sex scents that they, yeah. Come on this way. Come on. See, she's starting to. See. Come on. She want to go that way. You know, I can't go all the way over that way. Not today. Come on, because my. See, she confused as to why I'm going back home. But she rather have sex than to eat something. And look like I see some lights over there. I don't know who that is right there though. Look like Lee Boy. I guess, unless it's that old doggone joint that we seen the other day here. But we'll see who it is. That black car looks like Lee Boy's car. I'm thinking that Alvin is coming to the house right now to get the dog out of here. So I don't know who that is. So it look like somebody getting out the car right now. Yeah, it's some lady. So come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's cross over this way. And the dog see somebody new. They ready to jump on somebody. Come on. No, not over here. Come on. Come on now. Please don't make me pull that second joint, because I will do it on you. Come on. Don't act crazy. Come on, don't act crazy, man. It's always this time. It's always at this time do you act crazy. Come on. Come on. Don't be crazy now. Don't like